So we'll come back to part 2. Let me look at the majestic bird. Majestic. See? Majestic. The resolution goes terrible when it does that. I'm just gonna... Darn it.
How did he break this? It didn't look broken.
He didn't. He only broke one. I don't know how he broke it. I don't get how they didn't break their leg. Maybe they just... I don't know.
He sprained two toes.
That's probably why it's not broken. Look at the majestic bird. Stalking his prey. That's adorable. That's adorable. Uh-oh. I think he's about to jump. Nope, he's like, get him away. He better not try to jump in the trash can. And he won't jump. Oh, he made it!
He made it!
He did it!
He made it!
He glided.
Come on, Millie. Come on. Don't do me like that.
Here, you guys stay there, okay? Okay. Good. What? The birdie left. He's like, I want to go outside for a minute. It's like, yeah.
Come on. You want a red card?
No, he just wanted a little stroll.
Yeah. This one has his wing out like he's about to
fly. I wonder what their mating call is. I don't know why he leaves it out. Ooh, you okay, bro? You okay, buddy? Ooh, buddy. Here, you hold this phone. He's going back here and I don't like it. Oh.
You are the king. King bird.
You know what? We should go to the park with these, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, that's adorable.
I'll keep you.
If we're gonna do that, then we're gonna need a washcloth with us. Adorable. He better not poop. It's okay.
He better not.
He's a birdie.
They pooped him MR.RAGE. Excuse you?
He's like, I will poop on you.
I know how it feels.
You know what I've seen?
On me.
I don't know what this is. Is this actually... Ooh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know if that was part of him. Like, some of it's like, it looks like he has eyebrows or something.
Oh yeah, from that,
yeah, it's like...
what you'll call Happy Feet, that fat one.
Yeah, it's like this. Look,
Spiritual.
its hair's like this. Sorry, buddy.